So again, we've talked a lot about history at this point and how dance can really be for everyone. Today is about liturgical dancing. And for those who don't know, I have actually been a liturgical dancer and choreographer for a long time. I've been doing it for about 20 years. And it is something that I greatly enjoy doing in the church community. I've traveled around to a few different areas to perform and choreograph for others, and it is a way of, again, expressing. Now, when we say liturgical, it's really just praise. This term oftentimes just comes to a thought that it is only Christian based, but that's not entirely true. It can also be praise dancing for different cultures too. So when we talked about different types of community dances and cultural dances in like India and things like that, some of that can also fall into the liturgical and praise dance categories. There are also differences in denominations and little nuances of different faiths, and it's all celebratory. I find that this gets questioned a lot, that people don't always understand if they're allowed to dance. There are some religions that do not permit it, and that's totally okay. There are others that greatly encourage dancing because it's a way to rejoice. And to me, that is what liturgical dancing is all about. Again, I've danced for different denominations, and I have studied a lot of history in regards to liturgical dance realm and the praise dance realm and how it is perceived differently. And if you dive deeper, for those who do follow any kind of a religious based anything, you can find what you can and cannot do. You can talk to leaders in your community and find out what is appropriate or not, and different restrictions that may apply, and see if there's any way that you are able to reach out in those regards. Again, everyone is different, and it's just finding another way to communicate. This does not mean that I expect others who do not believe in the same things that I do to be following any of that. Again, it's all about respect for each other and understanding and compassion for each other. And I never want to see dancers kind of poo-poo on somebody else's belief system and belief structure as to how dance can be melded into that. Again, it's meant to be enlightening and uplifting for yourself and for whatever community you are in. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about adjusted dance. I will see you then.